Welcome, dear students. Welcome to our today's online class. We are studying about birds, one of the type of animals, from chapter number 3. In our today's class, we are going to learn how birds have evolved or modified their beaks. So in this class, we are going to learn about different types of beaks. So let us start our today's class. We all know that birds do not have teeth like other animals. And we also know that most of the animals, they have teeth, starting from fish, reptiles, mammals, tigers, leopards, elephants, they all have teeth to eat. Whereas birds, they do not have any teeth. So how do birds eat their food? Birds, they eat their food with the help of beaks. So beaks are there in bird which helps them to eat their food. Like you can see in this picture, there are different birds over here and they all have their own beak. But if you clearly notice over here, if you see this picture clearly, now you can see that different birds have different types of beaks. So how do they have these different types of beaks? These birds have different types of beaks depending upon food they eat. So on the food habit, birds have different types of beaks. So let us see different types of beaks one by one. You all know this is a parrot and we all love parrots, right? Now parrots have short and curved beaks, and this short and curved beaks helps parrots to crack nuts and seeds, which are their favorite foods. Is that clear, students? Hoopoe are another type of birds which have long and slender beaks. If you can see over here, their beak is long and slender, thin, and this beak helps hoopoe to pick up insects from the holes. As you can clearly see over here, this hoopoe has caught a lizard. In the same way, there is another bird which you all know it by the smallest bird. It is hummingbird, and you can see its beak over here. It has long, pointed and straw-like beak. This long, pointed and straw-like beak helps hummingbird to suck nectar from flowers. Nectar means the juice which are produced by flowers, sweet juice. So hummingbird, they love to drink sweet juice of flower which is called nectar. Am I clear, boys? Now we all have seen this bird, duck, and this duck have flat, broad beaks, and they also have holes along the edges. On the edges they have holes, and these holes act as filters. What they do is, duck, they swallow water containing different types of insects, and when they swallow, they pass out water from the holes so that the insect gets trapped inside their mouth. Am I clear, boys? Now you all have seen this bird also. This is eagle. And this eagle, they have sharp and hooked beaks. You can clearly see over here this small hook over here. This is sharp and pointed one. And this sharp and hooked beaks helps eagles, vultures, etc. to tear flesh, and they are meat-eating birds. That's why they need to tear flesh. And what helps to do that? Their sharp and hooked beaks. Let us see this another bird, crane, over here. Now this crane have long and pointed beaks, and this long and pointed beaks helps cranes to catch fish in water. Okay, they just open the beak, okay, and allow the water to flow through that beak. When fish passes through their beak, they just closes the beak so that the fish gets caught inside their mouth. Am I clear, boys? Let's see another example. Sparrow. It was almost lost species of birds, but now slowly this sparrows are gaining their population now. Okay, now this sparrows, we also find the sparrow in our locality. This sparrows, they have short, hard and strong beaks, and these short, hard and strong beaks helps sparrows to crush grains and seeds. They love to eat grains of rice, wheat, etc. Okay, and to pick those seeds, to crush those seeds, they need short, hard and strong beaks. Okay, and we'll see the last one, that is woodpecker. This woodpeckers, they have sharp and pointed beaks, and this type of sharp and pointed beaks helps woodpecker to make holes in the tree trunks. As you can clearly see over here, this woodpecker is making hole in the trunk of a tree, and they do so to pull out insect from the trunk of the tree. Is that clear, boys? They also make holes in the trunk of the trees to build a nest, but most of the time they make holes in the tree trunks to pull out insect so that they can have their food. Is that clear, boys? So on a whole, we can say that birds have evolved means modified. Birds have evolved or modified their beaks according to their food habit. Is that clear, students? This much for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Based on today's lesson, there is an assignment given to you. Please complete it and send it to me on time. Until we meet next time, stay safe and do all things well.